Hi, welcome to Vision classes. It's classes for IGCSE, GCSE, AS and A-level students. So today we have to discuss one of the pure math 3 question from March 2025. So here we have a question number 8 which says that two lines have a equation R, this one R A1 plus lambda B1 and R is equal to A2 plus mu B2. These are the two equations we have. And first part, lines are skew we have to show. So to show the lines are skew, we have two things to show. One is not parallel, right? And the other one is do not intersect. So we can take the B1 is the scalar multiple of B2 if lines are parallel. All right. So here, so suppose if lines are parallel, the B1 in the equation R and second equation B1 is equal to K times B2. Okay, this is the condition. If they are not parallel, then they are not in scalar multiple. That is what we have to show here. So let's see here 2, 3 and minus 1 which is equal to K times -1, -2 and 1. Are they in the scalar multiple? If you check it, the first one 2 is equal to K times -1. Isn't it? Means K we are getting -2. Yeah, but is it a true for second as well? So 3 is equal to K times -2. Yeah, this doesn't work. So it's you can conclude here that they are not parallel. That's it. That's what you have to show. Fine. Then nextly second part, they are not intersecting as well, right? So you have to take the parametric equations. So parametric equations here -1 plus 2 times lambda. Here you can see this one -1 2 times lambda, right, is equal to 2 plus -1 mu. Fine. Similarly, second equation is 3 plus 3 lambda is equal to -3 plus -2 mu. Fine. So from the first two, you have to figure it out the lambda and mu and substitute in the third equation, which is -4 minus 1 lambda is equal to -1 plus mu. This is the third equation. Yeah. So we have to solve the first two equations. So first two equations, what we will get, you can transfer mu to the left. So 2 lambda plus mu is equal to transfer this 1 to the right. It will be 2 plus 1 is 3. This is first equation, simplified form. Okay, I have written. So then secondly, you can transfer this mu to the left, isn't it? So it will be 3 lambda plus 2 mu is equal to this transfer 3 to the right. So it will be -6. This is second equation. Fine. And if you solve these two equations, you will get the mu and lambda. Here, if you solve this in your calculator, you will get lambda is equal to 12. Fine. And mu is equal to -21. Yeah. So from equation 3, fine. Equation 3 is -4 negative lambda is equal to -1 plus mu. If you substitute here -4 minus lambda is 12, which is equal to -1 minus 21. Yeah. So it's a -16 is equal to -22, which is not equal. So the lines are not or do not intersect. Do not intersect. That is what you can conclude. For in the first part, we have shown that it's not parallel. Second part, we have shown that it's not intersecting even. So therefore, lines are skew. Right? That's it. That is what you have to show. Hi. So second part, find the obtuse angle between direction of two lines. So here we have to find out the obtuse angle between the B1 and B2. So we have a B1. In this question, we have a 2, 3 and -1. And B2 is -1, -2 and 1. Yeah, it is given. All right. So here just you have to take the cos theta is equal to B1 dot B2 upon mod of B1 and mod of B2. These are the direction coefficients of the equations. All right. So these are the equations of two lines. Yeah. All right. Then here we have a b1 dot b2 is basically just a 2 times -1, then plus 3 times -2 plus -1 times just a 1 divided by square root of 2 square plus 3 square plus -1 bracket square, and again square root of -1 square plus -2 bracket square plus 1. Fine. And here after simplification, this is -2 and numerator part is -9. Denominator part is square root of 4, 9 and 1. It's a 14, and square root of 1, 4, 1, which is 6. So theta is equal to cos inverse of -9 over root of 84, and we will get the theta around 168.3. That's it. This is the theta and this is obtuse angle. Yeah. So I hope you understood this step-by-step answer. If you like this, share and subscribe to our channel as well. Thank you. Enjoy the math.